What's up, dudes? I'm going to show you guys how to be financial and economical, and then I'll show you guys my everyday makeup tutorial. Yeah, so pretty much I'm going to teach you guys how to look cool and save money. So let's go ahead and get started with the first season of the month, summer. So let's start with that one, summer. Here I have a t-shirt, and what you'll want to do is just wear it. Summer is nice because it's in warmer weather, so you can wear a t-shirt and then you just put it on and then you're good. Get yourself like a few pair of these, but just make sure that there's no logo on the shirt, because everyone knows it's not really cool to see a logo on a shirt. So make sure when you buy a shirt that there's no logo there, and then you're all set. All right, so that's it for the t-shirt. Shorts to go along with that t-shirt. And this is a really nice pair of shorts that go along with the t-shirt. Yeah, go ahead and buy yourself, I believe these are khaki shorts. I don't know. I call them khaki shorts, so they're khaki shorts. So yeah, go ahead and just pretty much matches with any of those t-shirts I showed you guys. So just get yourself a few pair of these, and yeah, I know you might be thinking that's very, very basic, but being basic, that's the right thing to do. That's the right thing to do. So we're gonna put that aside and move on to our next pair of shorts. These are also called shorts, but these are more athletic shorts, right? They're stretchy, right? They're good for comfort, good for wearing at home, good for wearing outside when you're doing stuff active, at the gym, doing sports. They're very, very reliable. I had this pair when I was like, I believe in high school, so it's become like a friend to me. It's always there for me. So get yourself some of these athletic mesh shorts or whatever athletic shorts you have, because yeah, they're reliable. And that is it for summer. Let's move on to fall. Now, fall is where things get a little bit colder, so what you want to do is get some long sleeve, right? It's pretty much a t-shirt, but the sleeves are longer, as you can see right here. And yeah, just put them on. You can put this over a shirt, and this will keep you a little bit warmer because it covers up more of your arm. This is actually from the movie Animal House. So yeah, very, very nice. Next up is hoodie. Hoodie, yes, get a hoodie. I think it's very important to really just show off which college or university you went to. So make sure you wear a hoodie with your college on it. Just let everyone know where you went and how special you are. So yeah, hoodie is very, very reliable. I wear this like pretty much every day. And yeah, I think what's important about this hoodie is that you have a hoodie, right? You have this hoodie to put on like over your head. I think it's better than not having a hoodie, because think about it. Let's say you walk out and you're wearing something without a hoodie, right? The hoodie's not there when you need it. So just always wear a hoodie so that you always have a hoodie by your side, right? So very, very important. Next is a jacket, a light jacket for the fall. Very good to block the wind in my face and block the wind in my way. So yeah, what you want to do is you can just put this over whatever you wear, and you just wear it like a jacket. So here I am. Here's my jacket, and like I said, hoodie. Very, very important that you get a hoodie. So now I have a nice hoodie to protect me from whatever attack that I may encounter. Next up, we have Adidas joggers. I believe these are your long pants. And honestly, when you have a pair of these, then you're pretty much all set, actually. This matches pretty much with anything, so you can just kind of wear this with anything. It's comfortable to wear indoors, comfortable to wear outside. It's very good for athletic stuff and also just casual stuff. So yeah, get yourself a pair of these joggers from Adidas, and then you don't really have to go ahead and buy any other pants. You just wear this, and then you're set. So very, very good. All right, now we are on to winter. Now, this is where things get even colder. So what you want to do is upgrade that jacket into a bigger jacket. Now, I have a jacket from Superdry, and it's very, very good. It protects me from the wind, protects me from rain. Definitely keeps me super dry if you catch my drift. So yeah, again, you just kind of go ahead and put that over anything. You put this over that hoodie, that shirt, the t-shirts, whatever you have. Even though that jacket, the great thing about these type of jackets is it just goes over everything. So kind of just wear this and zip it up, and then you're all good and set for the winter's wrath. So go ahead and get yourself a jacket. I think it's very, very useful, very, very handy, and always very reliable. Last thing on my winter list is sweatpants. Get yourself some sweatpants. These are very good. Much like the joggers, they go with everything. So yeah, just get yourself like a few pair of these and then you're all set. Yeah, they're comfortable inside, comfortable outdoors. Pretty much they do everything for you, right? And it keeps you warm. Keeps you warm. That's the most important part. It keeps my lower body warm. So sweatpants. Yeah. All right. What's the next one? Spring. It's pretty much the same thing as fall, actually. You just go ahead and wear whatever I showed you guys in fall, like the joggers, jacket, long sleeves, a t-shirt when it gets warmer. Like, it's all really there. And honestly, yeah, same as fall, but what I like to do is I take out my phone, and what I do is I just click the weather app, and then I see it's right now it's showering. It's springtime when I'm recording this, but yeah, I just look at the weather app and it pretty much makes decisions for me. I look at the weather, the degrees, and then I just decide from there. So pretty much the weather app just makes decisions for my fashion, my daily fashion for me. So very handy to get a phone as well with the other weather app. So yeah, that is it. Is there anything else I've forgotten? Oh, socks. Get yourself some socks. They're very good to put on your feet before you put on shoes. So get yourself a pair of socks. They kind of go along with everything that I showed you guys. So yeah, I have these Puma socks from I believe I also got these from Costco. So Costco is one of the top tier clothing brands. So socks. Now some of you guys are probably thinking like my fashion list is very, very small, but you know, that's okay. Because it's so small, I don't have to go out and buy a lot of stuff. So, pretty much all set. And, I'm pretty much the best right now. I wear that stuff every day. But, honestly, all the stuff I showed you guys, they mix and match pretty well. So, like, whatever combination I put on, it's bound to look good. So, yeah. And you know what they say? If it looks good today, then it's going to look good tomorrow. Like if someone went up to you and said that your outfit looks good, then it's good. Go ahead and just wear that again because it's like, is it magically going to turn bad? So here's my thing. If you always wear an outfit that looks good, then you will always look good. So that is all I have for how to be financial and fashionable. So I want to just go ahead and show you guys my everyday makeup tutorial. There are quite a few steps, so try your best to follow along. But the first thing that you want to do is turn on the sink and just go ahead and splash yourself with some water. And after a nice good wash, go ahead and just dry yourself off. And after that, you are good to go.